Union of Northwest Human Rights Organization. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. My organization would like to draw the attention of this Council to gross human rights violation of Sindhi people by Pakistani government. On May 18, 2022, in Karachi, the capital of Sindh, the police and military agencies killed two young Sindhis. One of them was A.D. Rahimu, an activist of Sindhi Nationalist Party, GS Sindh Qaumi Party. He was killed in fake encounter. Full fry and half fry is the term used by the agencies to decide the fate of these innocent victims. It's widely used by Pakistani media, human rights groups, and public, but it has nothing to do with culinary, but police and security forces code of modus operandi of extrajudicial killing in Sindh. In Pakistan state, full fry means killing any unarmed by way of extrajudicial operation, and half fry means serious injuring the detainee by shooting or torture third degree. In June 2021, Dodo Bhil, a worker of Thar Coal Authority, was arrested by police in Islam Court of Sindh, detained and tortured by death by police. In March earlier, Irfan Jatoi, a student of Sindh University Jamchoro, was arrested by Sakhar police led by senior superintendent, and he was shot and killed in a fake encounter. In recent past, many Sindhi activists, leaders, and writers has been killed, and there is no accountability yet. Our organization requests the United Nation Human Rights Council to send a fact-finding mission to Sindh, Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you.